You're detained right now for stealing those shoes from Famous Footwear. That's what's going on.
Is this about the death that occurred, a female black?
It's another one right now.
Another one? Well, officers are en route now.
Okay. She's right here in the front. She's been here before.
Okay, what color shirt and pants?
African American. She got like a Looney Tunes jacket on, a red hoodie under it, black pants. She got 3 pairs of Nikes, and she is walking out into a black sedan, I want to say. She's about to pull out here in a second. Oh, it's a yellow car, like a black and yellow faded kind of sports-looking car. She's going out towards, and she's a passenger in a car, too. She's going out towards, so it's the opposite way, towards, like, I'm not a compass, I don't know direction. She's going out towards Hilliard Road, kind of like where Whole Foods is, where that Whole Foods sign.
In the yellow sedan? Yeah, flip it.
150-152, only additional suspect, the current suspect's female black, wearing some kind of Looney Tunes jacket, with 3 pair of Nike shoes, getting into a black and yellow sedan.
150, we believe we just passed the black and yellow sedan. We're trying to catch up to it now. They're going to be pulling into Cabot Cove.
Yep.
No visible tag on the car.
Okay.
Ma'am.
How are you getting in my car? Sir! Sir! I got a question. Excuse me, officer. Hey, ain't he supposed to be looking for shoes? Them ain't shoes. Hey, excuse me. Excuse me, sir.
Right one?
No, that is my social.
Sure. Is your name Ashley?
Not.
Oh, you're good. I just was letting you know. Like, I'm not lying to you.
You know, like, I gave you all my information. Okay. Like, I told you I'm just cooperating.
Yeah, no, I got it. I just, like I said, it was.
I don't understand why I would be being arrested for what. You see every number.
Male. Get out of the car! Now! Get out of the car!
I didn't do anything.
Face that way, now!
What the fuck are you doing? I ain't
Face that way! Put your stuff down. Put your stuff down. Put your stuff down now. Put the lighter down.
What is wrong?
Get your hands behind your back. I'll explain everything to you.
You're crazy. I don't understand what you're doing.
Okay, we put our lights on to pull you over. You saw us behind you and you just kept driving.
No, you was not behind me.
Oh, you didn't see the lights and sirens behind you.
When you... Camera. You did a U-turn in the middle of the road. How do I know you're coming from me or whatever else?
You matched the description of the suspect who got in the black and yellow sedan from Famous Footwear stealing the pair of shoes. And then you failed to stop when we activated our lights and sirens.
I did. Sir, what are you talking about? You was not directly behind me anything.
We could show you on the camera.
I did not fail to stop anything. I pulled over. So what are you talking about?
We were behind you on Hilliard Road, and you pulled in here, and then you pulled in here and tried to pull in the parking spot.
No,
do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Okay.
I didn't fail to do anything, sir. Like I said, if you was directly behind me, listen, if you was directly behind
Listen,
me...
I was directly behind you.
If you was behind me within a...
Alright, I'm done listening to you, dude, okay? I'm trying to explain everything to you, okay? It's all on our camera. All of it's on our camera.
I don't understand why you're always right and I have to be wrong. If you was directly behind me, I would have pulled over. Like,
right, that's why we were speeding to get you.
Because you did a
pulling
U-turn
into
in
Cabot
the
Cove.
road.
We flipped our lights on, did
did
a
a U-turn,
U-turn,
exactly.
caught up with you,
But you
and
know
then
what
you
I'm
kept
saying?
going. And then you turned into here, and then you turned into here.
Listen,
okay, it's okay.
like I said,
it's okay if you say that you didn't know.
I didn't know.
That's
what I'm
fine.
saying. I don't understand why.
That's fine, but we still have to conduct the investigation because she doesn't have. She stole those shoes, dude.
Okay, like I said, I didn't do anything.
Look, I'm not trying to be rude to
I
you or
understand that too.
anything.
That's why I'm complying. I'm not didn't do anything. I'm like,
okay.
I answered the question.
It could have been just a miscommunication.
Like, did you not hear my speakers? Like I was listening to my radio. I didn't see you.
It could have been a miscommunication where you didn't see us and you didn't hear the lights. Got it. Okay.
I got tinted windows.
Okay. And you said you ain't got no weapons or nothing, no knives or anything?
No.
Okay. All right, just have a seat in there real quick, all right?
You get hurt because when I got her out of the car, she was reaching down on the side.
No, I wasn't.
You were. I
What's
don't
your
know
name?
if you were putting shoes in the back.
I wasn't reaching down on no side.
What's your name?
Shakina Dixon. He just wrote that stuff down.
Oh, you got it? Okay.
He's a fucking liar.
It's on camera.
I was not reaching down. What would I be reaching down? What would I reach down for?
Out of the car. Let's go. I see. Get out of the car. Hands.
Face that way now. Face that way.
What the fuck is wrong with y'all, bro?
Put your stuff down now. Put the lighter down. I'll explain everything to you.
What are you doing, bro?
You're detained right now for stealing those shoes from Famous Footwear. That's what's going on.
Put the lights on, pull you over. You saw us behind you and you just kept driving.
No, you was not behind me.
Oh, you didn't see the lights and sirens.
We have cameras. Camera.
You did a U-turn in the middle of the road. How do I know you're coming from me or whatever?
We were behind you for a good quarter mile.
The suspect you got in the black and yellow sedan from Famous Footwear stealing a pair of shoes. Then you failed to stop and we activated our lights and sirens.
150.
You was not directly behind me anything.
We can show you on the camera.
I believe we're at Blue Lagoon in Cabot Cove. We need another car for a body. We have the 40 from Famous Footwear and the suspect. Sit down here, please.
Okay.
Always right, and I have to...
9101. No black friend.
What's your name?
No weapon.
Shakina.
Spell that, please.
S-H-A-K-E-N-A.
S-H-A-K-E-N-A?
E-E-N-A.
E-E-N-A.
Dixon, D-I-X-O-1. 831.
Where do you stay?
1857 Republic.
What's the zip over there?
43211.
Who's this guy to you?
I don't know.
You don't know him, you're just riding around in his car? You get hurt because when I got her out of the car, she was reaching down on the side. You were. I don't know if you were putting shoes in the back or if you were reaching between the seats. I already got all over it. Hey, I got it, yeah. It's on camera. That'll be for the property room to figure out.
Second suspect. Spoke with the manager. She doesn't prosecute. I'll be en route to 150. Well, if I check, I mean, you guys still need 9101.
It's my phone. You can't take my phone. You don't have to be a dick, because I didn't do that.
Ma'am, you have not seen me be a dick.
But you just snatched my phone for no reason.
Did you hand it to me?
You snatched it. You didn't even ask. You just snatched my phone out of my hand.
This
Like,
isn't
what's
this
the
isn't
problem?
your rules. This isn't your game that
Okay,
you're
but what's
playing.
the problem? You
We're in
racist or
charge.
something? I'm like, what's the fucking
Am
problem?
I racist?
Something going on with you? Like,
No.
you mad? I'm like, what's
You
the
think I just
fuck?
picked out this car?
Okay, I'm just saying, so what's the problem for you to be an asshole?
You need
Like,
to shut up.
snatching my fucking phone out my hand, I didn't do nothing to you. I didn't even say nothing to you.
Good. 2193 westbound.
Yeah, everything y'all asked me to do, ain't said nothing, ain't got smart, ain't did none of that. Like, literally, for you to snatch my phone out my hand, like, that's rude. I didn't.
Why would you think that now is a good time to get on your phone during a stop?
Well, why can't I get on my
You're
phone?
in handcuffs. You are detained for theft. Why would you think that now is the time?
But why would you just snatch my phone? I didn't.
Did I throw
I
it?
didn't say nothing to you. I didn't get smart with you. I didn't.
I
do
put
none
it
of
on the
that.
car.
Okay, but you snatched it.
Stand
so
up.
I didn't know. Like, what's wrong? Like, what's the problem?
To the back of the car, please.
Bro,
Jumpers. Yeah,
you make it seem like I did something to you.
Is your camera rolling?
2185 westbound. And I'm sorry, you did say that was occupied, correct?
I didn't like did nothing to you. Like, that's
No,
what.
one inside.
Huh?
They got me. Jumpers,
Yeah, this is the second one. This is the Looney Tunes.
We get the caddy or not?
No, not the caddy. We just saw a black and yellow sedan. We're like, that's got to be it. And then we were behind him for quarter mile.
The caddy, and I was looking for that.
Oh, I got me too. I'm playing next car with him, advice. This might be just making it free a little bit. That would be a 10-3. I have cars on 16. Off 11 there, bud.
Did you get the plate on this?
No.
The receipt from Lev's Pawn Shop as a license plate?
No, that's the wrong piece of paper.
Okay.
Obviously, that's the, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I just...
Right, no, I'm saying that's the wrong piece of paper. Where it's the same size as the 45-day tag. Obviously, I grabbed the wrong one when I taped it.
Okay. No, there's no plate back here.
Just trying to think of how we could do this just with us.
Okay.
Take the stuff back and then...
So either way, she's under arrest for a warrant. So we can now transport her. We transport her back to the scene, get the positive ID, and return the 40.
Yeah.
His car's getting hooked. He's getting charged with drug paraphernalia.
Yeah, so I'll deal with the theft stuff and then you guys just deal with the car.
Okay. Yep, that works. Are you slating her? Okay. Because we'll slate him too.
Figured it's a fail to appear, so I'm not gonna just release her and let her do the same thing.
Right. And then this is her phone. She's not been searched. Just a good pat down.
Cool.
Yeah, we're not going anywhere for a bit. So I say that he gets drug paraphernalia, he gets the no ops, he goes on the warrant, and he gets complicity to commit a theft offense for being the getaway driver.
But just, we gotta see if we gotta verify the one. I was verifying her stuff first.
Okay, that's fine. Either way, he's under arrest for drug paraphernalia, no ops, and complicity. And then we'll go from there. Are you cool with that?